I found an AI tool that makes really good looking websites in just seconds. So it doesn't matter whether you know code or not, whether you know how good user interface looks or not. This tool does it all for you in just seconds. I'm going to show you how to use it, as well as some use cases that you can make money from this tool. As always, I'll have a link in the description below, but today's tool is called Ready AI, and we can create a project. So we can click web or app, and I'm going to pick web. We're going to give our project a name, so Dana's Furniture Restoration and Painting, and we can click create. We now have our project, and now we can start building our website on our project. So we can type in what we want our website to be about. As you can see, I put in Dana's Furniture Restoration and Painting business. I want it based off pink light color scheme. It's all about our business. And you can see it's already populated an entire additional thing to enhance our prompt. So I want soft pastel colors palette with a blush pink background. And I can go through, I can modify this whatever I want, and then I can hit submit. And I'm just going to move myself out of the way. All these chats are always on the right, and I'm on the right, and I'm in the way. But you can see here, it's going to take a few moments or a few minutes, and you can see some handy tips. You can see what's happening on the right. So you don't need to know any code to create these really good looking websites. It's going to create all the files for you. It's going to create the user interface for you. And when it creates this, it's only going to create the first initial page. It's not going to create anything more than that, but with just like a single click, we can start building all these sub pages, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Some of my friends have businesses and trades, and they're literally spending thousands of dollars a year to create websites that look worse than what Ready produces. You can see on the right, we have the design highlights, we have the different key sections, like a hero section, which is going to be at the top, our services, portfolio, about Dana, special features. We have everything. Here is version 1, bringing your furniture back to life. And we can see our photo in the background, like a before and after, and we can see everything that the page has. View our services, before and after transformations, and it looks and feels really good. This looks like a really good professional website. Meet Dana. So we have to replace this photo of Dana with the actual Dana. And if you follow the channel and you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis, but you already know we're going to replace this Dana with a AI version of Dana. So you can see here we have selector, and we can click selector, and now we can select the image, and we have our selected area, and we have image, and now we can replace the image with whatever we want. So we can use remove BG, and we can remove the background of an image, or we can generate a new background for the image, or we can add a video. But let's just, for now, let's just replace it with AI Dana. We're going to upload a photo. We're going to hit replace image, and it is going to replace the image on the page with our new Dana. So you can see here, now we have Meet Dana. We can also use the selector to modify parts of our page. So we're going to hit selector. We're going to highlight maybe this part here, 8 years of professional experience. And now we can type what we want. So we are going to say, hey, she has actually 20 years, over 20 years of professional experience. So instead of the AI model going through and regenerating the entire page, it is only going to modify the part that you want. So you don't need to know any coding. It made a really nice looking UI, and it's able to modify the specific part you want rather than regenerating the entire thing over and over again like something like Gemini would do. So we can see here, now we have our 20 plus years of experience, and we have our whole new Meet Dana section done. And we can do this for any section. So we can just use the selector. We can say, hey, we want to change our hours. We're open every day. Or we can change the location. Or maybe we want to change the entire get in touch section. We can do that as well. Let's say we have a company logo already. And here I just used Gemini to generate one. We're going to download this image here. We're going to come back. We're going to use our selector, and we're going to select our title up here. And now we're going to add or upload an image, and we put in add the logo to the left of the text. So we are now taking our own branding, and we're going to embed it into our website. So now you can see our logo there, and it doesn't look great. So we're going to use the selector tool. We're going to select the logo. We're going to hit image, and we're going to remove the background. So this is going to make our logo stand out a little bit better, as you can see here. And now we're going to hit apply, and you're going to see it's starting to enhance it. It's starting to look a little bit nicer. We can still hit selector. We can put it back here, and we can say, hey, make the image bigger. You can see the header looks a lot better now. We have our nice logo, but what does our website look on mobile? We can just quickly see, hey, this is what it looks on mobile, and we can see exactly what we're working with. So I did mention it's only going to generate a single page. So we don't have like a Get Quote page, for example, so we can click this, and you're going to see it says continue to generate. So just one single click, we're going to generate another page that matches our initial style, and it's going to say, hey, we're going to generate this, tell me if it's okay or if you want any special features. So I can put in something like, hey, I want a form where the user can enter their name, their email address, a description, and upload a photo so I can quote them for their furniture. So I'm going to hit send. So this is important. I just basically said to create a form, but it didn't create a whole new page. It did something even nicer. So if we scroll down, it says, hey, it has all the form fields, it has all the features, but what it made was a clean pop-up that matches the entire design. So this actually looks a lot better than I originally thought, and it enhanced it and made it even better. So we can fill this in with fake information, and we can click request quote, and it will say, hey, thank you, it's been submitted, but it doesn't actually go anywhere just yet. So we're going to use our selector, we're going to click form, we're going to give our form a name, we're going to just call it get quote, and our AI model is going to start building a backend for our form. So we don't have to do anything, it is working for us. Our form is real now and it actually works. So if we click get quote and fill this all in again, and we click request quote, it is actually going to submit it now to a database that we can actually see. So at the top right, we can click form and we can see all the data that people have submitted. So we can see the submission that I just did. If you notice that the image was not collectible, I actually just said, hey, the image is not collectible on the form, and it says, hey, I understand the issue, and it's going to modify it and make it collectible. So instead of just going back and forth with a developer, you can do this all yourself really quickly, really easily, only modifying the parts that you want to modify. And we're going to put in a really simple prompt like the lady just smiles. And it's going to say, hey, this is going to take 150 credits. We're going to hit confirm. And it's going to take 5 minutes to generate this video here for us.
5 minutes later.
We can see on our page as we scroll down, we now have the video version of AI Dana, but smiling. And she just kind of smiles on repeat and looks good. The Ready AI documentation is super helpful. So if you want to create multiple pages, it tells you can do that automatically. We can add animations, we can design with unique styles, and it even go through and tell you, hey, you can make all of these styles. And there's even templates, which I will show you in this video. Let's just try the animations for a second. So say we want like more intense, we want particles as we're moving through, we can do that, or a typewriter effect. So we can just take the example prompt that they give us, like this here. We're going to come back, we're going to go to the top, and let's give this a nice typewriter effect. So we're going to select our area here, and we're going to just say, hey, change the second line in the title to be a typewriter effect. So now we have version 10 that is done generating, and you can see it says growth, and it looks really good, and it's going back and forth between different words that we want, that we ask for. So you can see here growth, conversion, retention in different colors, but that doesn't make a lot of sense, so let's modify it again. Now I've updated the text with text that makes more sense for my website. You can see here, bring your vanity back to life, or bring your furniture back to life, and it looks really good and it's really professional. And again, you can see what it looks on mobile. We can click here and this is going to bring it full screen. This is going to have a share button, which is going to open up in a new tab with a link that you can just actually share out with people. So you can say, hey, how does this look? And now you can see Dana's restoration business, and it's starting to look really good. You can see the services she offers before and after, and we can say, hey, meet Dana, and you can kind of see it all. And we have a whole get quote that actually functions. Along the top, there's all sorts of different integrations. So we can actually use Supabase and integrate with the database. We can use Stripe to accept payments. So you can start accepting payments directly on your own website. You can integrate with Shopify. You can integrate with a calendar service, so you can have a schedule and you can have people book appointments. You can have MailChimp, so you can start a newsletter. And Google Analytics, so you can start tracking and analyzing all the data from people that are visiting your website. When we're done, we can click publish, and we can actually publish our website with our own domain. So you can say, yes, I have one, and you can set it up, and you can go through the process of setting it all up. Or you can say, hey, I don't have one, can you help me purchase one? And it will do that as well. So just a single click, and you can have a beautiful looking website, and then another click, you can have a domain and customers can come to your website, look at what you have to offer, they can fill out quotes, they can fill out your calendar, you can start accepting money, you can start making money from your website really quickly. You can also export all of this to different areas, so you can export it to Figma, MasterGo. If you want your code, you can one click, it'll download an entire zip file with all of your code. It is extremely powerful. Let's create a new project, and now instead of filling out this box here, we're going to scroll down and you can see all the different templates that we can just use. So we can just select one of these and say, hey, this is what we want to use. So say we're going to use an auto repair website. We can click use, and we are going to use that as a base for our website creation. You can see now we have our template set up. We have welcome to our professional garage. We have a nice little video background going on. It looks really good, and we can start modifying this for our own business needs now, and we have a good template to start with. The template actually comes with different pages, so if you click the drop down, you can see all the different pages. So we can jump to the contact us page, or you can jump to the services page, for example, and you can say, hey, I want to modify this or modify that. Given how easy Ready AI is to use, there's some incredibly powerful use cases you can start using this tool with right now, today. So, for example, say you have a business, you can generate your own website now with your own forms, your own calendar, you can integrate your own payment methods to accept money, which is pretty powerful without needing a developer. But if you don't have a business, you can also create websites for businesses. So reach out and look at your local auto business and say, hey, their website is pretty bad. So you can quickly go through this tool, design them a website, email them and say, hey, look, I made this for you. This looks a lot better than what you have. It's more functional. Do you want to work with me? Here it is. It's all ready to go. Just pay me and I'll start working for you, and I'll be the person that's running your website for you because mine is substantially better than what you have. And you can run a whole business creating businesses for businesses that exist for tradespeople or different services or whoever. It doesn't matter. There's a lot of opportunity using Ready AI. It is an incredibly powerful tool. And don't be afraid when you're prompting and making changes. It's so quick to make improvements. So we can see here I'm on version 11. We can see the background. I said the hero card background looks kind of ugly. It doesn't really match. Can we make it look better? So we have version 12, and here is the background of the hero card. It looks a little nicer. There's a little of a glass effect, and then you can see the services I offer. It doesn't really match the aesthetics of the website. So I said, hey, the images are bad. Can we use more clip art style, but pastel colored clip art? So we can now see version 13 where we have our pastel clip art and it looks a lot nicer based off what I wanted. Then we can say, hey, the hero card, can we make it a solid color? And then it's like, hey, well, we're going to change it from a glass effect to a solid color. So we can now see this as a solid color in comparison to the background. So we can quickly make iterations and modifications to our website really, really quickly. We acknowledge that the before and after is really cool as well, considering it just generated all this itself. So we have like the dining room set, the vanity, the cabinet, the rocking chair, the coffee table. Listen, I'll give it to you, it's a little bit off, but hey, the dresser looks great. Obviously, you'd want to go in and put in your own photos. You can make a portfolio. You'd want to fill this in all yourself, but it's the fact that you can do this so quickly. And if you notice, this is super fast and it looks a lot better. I guess the only question left is, what will you build first? Let me know in the comments below. Are you using Ready AI? Do you plan to use Ready AI? I think it's phenomenal. I have a link in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis. Like the video if you enjoyed this type of content and you want to see more of it. Just tell the algorithm, hey, let's keep showing me this. And I'll see you tomorrow with more AI videos.